Hey guys, this is Chloe Churko here. I am going to be completing Lab 7.2 from the class MECH 314 with ERAU. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. Here in lab view, we have the MyDAC thermistor setup. This is the block diagram right here. And as you can see, this was already in here, but I changed it so it would be according to my own DAC. So I set that up. I'm using device 1, and basically it takes the data that we collect and it goes through this LabVIEW formula node, and that looks like this. So this formula node basically takes in the data and it spits it out into temperature in kelvins and temperature in Celsius. And once it does that, let me find it, comes right here into our outputs. So we see that it spits it out in kelvins. To get it to Celsius, we just subtract 273.15. And from there, we added this. It is, I think it was called in range. It's called in range, and you set up your parameters for it. So we have 70 degrees Celsius as the minimum and 100 degrees Celsius as the maximum. And that leads us to our little LED. So we set up a Boolean here and it will light up when the temperature is between 70 degrees and 100 degrees Celsius. And we come to our front panel, and this is what we have right now. So I have my DAC set up, my thermistor is attached on the other end, and I'm not doing this on the stove because I didn't have anywhere to put my laptop next to it, but I have some hot water here and some ice water right there. So we are going to run this and see how it plays out. Alright, so there we go, it's working. My laptop's a little slow, it's not the greatest, but we're getting there. So I'm going to put it into the cold water. And we can see that it is dropping very slowly, but it is dropping quite dramatically. And just so I'm not here recording all night, I'm going to go ahead and move it into the hot water to see if we can get it up to 70 degrees Celsius. I don't know if the water is that hot. We're getting there, we're at 61. But can we get to 70? 69? Yep, and see, we hit 74 and that light did come on, and as soon as it dropped back down, it did shut off. So it is working properly. My computer is just very slow. But yeah, that's how you complete Lab 7.2 with MECH from MECH 314. Thank you guys.